take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The ships slowly come back on November 22. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention warned that all people avoid travel on cruise ships, including river cruises, worldwide, because the risk of COVID-19 on cruise ships is very high. But in Europe and Asia, a few cruise lines resumed operations this summer.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Carnival Cruise Line cancels all cruises for 2020. Carnival's latest list of cruise cancellations includes departures from all U.S. homeports through December 2020. In addition to Carnival Cruise Line, the remaining brands in Carnival Corporation are also included in the cruise cancellations.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
And Royal Caribbean Group have restarted cruises abroad with some starts and stops. The cruise industry suspended cruises until 2021 after the CDC's no sail order expired at the end of October and was replaced by a conditional sailing order.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Carnival has announced that they have suspended all sailings until March 1, 2021. Carnival Cruises has announced they will implement the following COVID-19 prevention protocols aboard all ships when their cruising reopens in 2021.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Last month, Carnival canceled cruises on both their Carnival Magic and Carnival Paradise ships until March 2021. Carnival Valor's itineraries are also canceled through April 29 and cruises on the Carnival Spirit are canceled through May 16.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.